Here I have FAIRPHONE for 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see FAIRPHONE logo, release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, reboot to bootloader, and after that you will end up in this so-called boot mode. So here with volume keys you can navigate, and with power key you can select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, and yeah. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option start and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.